Now, on Tuesday this week, members of Parliament deliberated on the Finance Bill of 2019, and amongst other things, they also endorsed the withdrawal of the value-added tax exemption status of solar equipment. Stakeholders in the renewable energy sector are now decrying the decision, saying it will reverse the gains Kenya has realized in its renewable energy sector and lead to job cuts. Judith Cherono filed the details.
In his June 13, 2020 budget speech, Treasury Cabinet Secretary Ukur Yatani vowed to rationalize tax exemptions as the government sought ramp-up revenue mobilization to finance its ambitious 3.2 trillion shillings budget. On the Treasury's radar was the renewable energy sector, where persons dealing in solar energy equipment has been enjoying exemption from value-added tax, which accounts for 25% of Kenya's tax revenue. Stakeholders in the sector say these will have adverse effects on the economy.
There have been over 20,000 jobs created by the off-grid and mini-grid sector in Kenya, and over 65,000 jobs created in the communities that they serve. So altogether, nearly 85,000 jobs have been created by this sector, and they will continue to be created if the prices are kept down, because these customers cannot afford expensive products.
The stakeholders are also challenging the retabling and adoption of the proposal to impose VAT on solar equipment, given the fact that it had earlier been thrown out by the National Assembly during the Tax Laws Amendment Bill debate.
This VAT exemption was just brought to the Parliament during the amendment bill discussions just a month and a half ago, and now it was thrown back in for the finance bill just now, only 6 weeks later, and they have not waited for the 6 months.
With the executive having lost its bid to tax pension income and liquefied petroleum gas in the coming financial year, it is unlikely that there will be any efforts to reverse the adoption of the value-added tax in solar equipment. Kenyans now wait to see how this will impact the sector. Judith Cherono, NTV, Nairobi.